Here's the answer. Look, you can see for yourself. It's the last word. Better get it right. You better get it right.
I think spirit's important. I think coming together is important, and especially with COVID, we haven't really had that. So I really like the high energy of this assembly.
You better get it right. Better get it right. You better get it right.
Or we're all wearing the same thing, we're all cheering for the same reason, and I think it's very just energetic.
Better get it right. You better get it right.
We have a lot of great students, so it's hard to choose, but our two that we ended up choosing, Allie Connolly.
You can see for yourself. It's the last word. Better get it right. You better get it right. Here's the answer.
It all came together really well. They worked as a family and as a team, and we're just really spirited. So.
You better get it right.
B-Red stands for being respectful, excellent, and determined.
Better get it right. You better get it right.